Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to purchase from AliExpress. So purchasing from AliExpress is pretty simple. First of all, you have to create your AliExpress account or login to your already existing account. Then browse AliExpress application to find product that you want to order. You can explore simply your homepage or go to search bar at the top of your screen to search for a specific product that you want to order. So let's search this one, and now I want to tap item to open its details, and first of all let's check seller's rating. I tap name of the store below the photos, and at the top of your screen you should see percentage of the positive feedback, and you always want to aim for at least 95%. Okay, so let's go back to this item and first of all check photos that seller provides you. Then let's go to reviews section. You always want to pay big attention to reviews, especially those ones with photos, because they expose real quality of the item. Okay, so when you've checked your reviews to that item, let's go to description section of the item. You can see product details, also some specifications, so watch out those, and also read this description that seller provides you, and also some additional photos of the item and also information. Okay, so now you can, if you tap here, you can select color of the item, you can select size, if applicable, and set quantity. Now you can press add to cart button or select buy now to check out, to go to checkout page, and at the top first of all you can select delivery service. So there are two options. The first one is delivery to an existing address and the second one is pickup points. Then you have to set your delivery address in this section. So here you can add new address, you can see your current one, you can edit it or completely delete it. And please make sure that your shipping address is correct, because if it's not, you will not simply receive your package. Then let's go to payment section. So here you can add your new card, and also here you can see some other options that you can choose. Tap confirm button, and also here is the summary page where you can see your total amount that you have to pay, and also you can apply some promo codes if you have one. So enter it here and tap apply button to apply, and finally when you're ready to order and everything looks fine, press pay now button to basically make an order. And after payment you can track your item in the section my orders until you receive your package. And if you have some issues with your item, with your order, you can open a dispute to get a refund or replacement. So that's how you can purchase from AliExpress. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.